Hello friends, Mars Perseverance Sol 1072 Supercam camera. Ingenuity Mars helicopter was damaged during its 70-second flight, and with the Perseverance rover's Supercam capturing the splitting of blade in half on 25th February 2024. NASA's Mars Perseverance rover acquired these images using its SuperCam Remote Micro-Imager located at the top of rover's mast. These images were acquired on 25th February 2024, the 1072nd Martian day, a soul of the Perseverance rover mission on Mars. Image credits NASA, JPL-Caltech, LANL, CNES, IRAP. A key objective for Perseverance mission on Mars is astrobiology, including the search for signs of ancient microbial life. The rover will characterize the planet's geology and past climate, pave the way for human exploration of the red planet, and be the first mission to collect and catch Martian rock samples.